Good afternoon, children. Children, today let us learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, you already learned what is a fraction. These are examples of fraction 1 by 5, 3 by 2, 6 by 7, 3 by 4. A fraction has two parts. A number above the line is the numerator and the below the line is the denominator. Here in 3 by 2, 3 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. That is, the number above the line is the numerator and the below the line is the denominator. In 1 by 5, 1 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. In 6 by 7, 6 numerator, 7 denominator. In 3 by 4, 3 numerator and 4 denominator. Okay. Now let us learn about addition of fractions. Okay. To add fractions, there are three steps. First step is make sure the bottom numbers means denominators are the same. Then second step, add the top numbers, that is the numerators, and put that answer over the denominator. Then simplify the fraction if needed. Okay. Children, here we are learning about like fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions having same denominators. Example for like fractions: 3 by 4, 7 by 4, 9 by 4, 9 by 4. These are like fractions because these fractions has 4 as denominator, same number. Okay. Unlike fractions means 3 by 4, 7 by 5. These are unlike fractions because they are having different denominators. Okay. Same denominators ullada like fractions, different denominators varunada unlike fractions. Now we are going to learn about addition of like fractions. Okay. So children, first check the denominators. In this example, we are adding 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Here the denominators are 4. So they are like fractions. Then the second step is add the top numbers. Add the top numbers means numerators. 1 plus 1. Then write the same denominator. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 by 4 is our answer. We can simplify 2 by 4 as 1 by 2 because 2 is common in 2 and 4. So divide 2 and 4 by 2, we will get 1 by 2 as our answer. So when we are adding two like fractions, follow the steps. Check the denominator first. If the denominators are same, add the numerators and put the answer over the denominator. Simplify the fraction if needed. Okay. Next is subtracting like fractions. Same steps, children. Make sure the bottom numbers are the same. Subtract the top numbers, that is numerators. Put the answer over the same denominator. Simplify the fraction if needed. Like fractions in a subtraction same rule ആണ്. Numerators subtract ചെയ്യുക. Then write the same denominator. Simplify if needed. Okay. In this example, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Both are like fractions. 4 is the denominator. Then subtract the numerators. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 by the same denominator. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 4 is our answer. Here also 2 is common in both. In 2 and 4, 2 is a common factor. So if we divide both by 2, we will get the answer as 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So the rules are same for addition and subtraction. If we are subtracting, subtract the numerators and write the same denominator. If we are adding two like fractions, add the numerators and write the same denominator. Okay. In this example, children, 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 2 by 13. First, check the denominators. 13, 13, 13. Same. So, these fractions are like fractions. So, what is the next step? Add the numerators. 3 plus 7 plus 2. 3 plus 7 plus 2 is 12. 12 by 13. Write the same denominator. Okay. Here children, in 12 and 13 nothing is common. So we can't simplify this answer. So our answer is 12 by 30. 12 and 13 common numbers onnilla. So our answer is 12 by 30. Okay. Next is 9 by 11 minus 5 by 11. Check the denominators. 11, 11. Same. Like fractions. So what is the next step? Subtract the numerators. What is 9 minus 5? 4. So 4 by 11 is our answer. 4 divided by 11. Okay. So children, this is a very important point. When you are adding or subtracting like fractions, don't add the denominators and denominators. Okay. Add the numerators and write the same denominator. Subtract the numerators and write the same denominator. Children, now we are learning about expressions. So, expressions ഇത് വരുമ്പോൾ ഫ്രാക്ഷണൽ ഫോം വരുമ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് അഡീഷനും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇനി ടീച്ചർ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സെയിം റൂൾ, ബട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് വി ആർ ഡൂയിങ് ആൾജിബ്രിക് എക്സ്പ്രഷൻസ്. അവർ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് a by 2 plus 3a by 2. Here the expressions are in the form of fraction. Same steps. Check the denominators. 2. Here the denominators are same. So follow the same steps children. Add the numerators. A plus 3a. A means 1a. 1 into a ആണ് a. So 1a plus 3a is equal to 4a. You already learned about the simplifying expressions അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ a plus 3a എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? a means 1a. 1a plus 3 is 4a. So the answer is 4a by 2. Write the same denominator. Don't add the denominator. Now 4a by 2. We can simplify this because in 4 and 2, 2 is common. അപ്പോൾ 4നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 2 കിട്ടും. 2നെയും 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our answer is 2a by 1 which is equal to 2a. Okay. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Here we can simplify 4 and 2. So our final answer is 2a. Okay. Now our next question is 4x plus 6x. Sorry children, 4x by 7 plus 6x by 7. 4x by 7 plus 6x by 7. Follow the same steps. Add the numerators. 4x plus 6x. 4 plus 6, 10. 10x. Write the same denominator. So our answer is 10x by 7. Here in 10 and 7 nothing is common. Common ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ സിംപ്ലിഫൈഡ് ഫോമിൽ ആക്കണ്ടൂ. ഓക്കെ. So our answer is 10x by 7. Now I will explain about subtraction of expression. Subtraction. 3b by 8 minus b by 8. 3b by 8 minus b by 8. Here both are like fractions. 8 is the denominator. Subtract the numerators. 3b minus b. 3b minus b means 3b minus 1b. 1b. 2b. 2b by 8. Subtract the numerators. 3b minus b, 2b, 2b by 8. Here 2 and 8 have common factor. 2 is the common factor. 2 il 8 ilum 2 ആണ് common factor. Because both are multiples of 2. അങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ common factor ഉണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. So we can divide both numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And 8 divided by 2, 4. So we can write it as 1b. 1b means b by 4. This is a simplified form. b by 4 is the simplified form. Okay. So children, നമ്മൾ expressions add ചെയ്യാനെങ്കിലും subtract ചെയ്യാനെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് സാധാരണ ഉള്ള അഡിഷൻ്റെ റൂളും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ്റെ റൂളും തന്നെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാം. Check the denominators. That is an important point. Okay. Check the denominators. If the denominators are same means like fractions, then add or subtract the numerators. Addition ആണെങ്കിൽ add the numerators and write the same denominator. If it is subtraction, subtract the numerators and write the same denominator. Don't add the denominators. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.